Okay, here we are looking over, that's the Guanyin statue right there. And we're going to talk all about this in a minute as well. And we're going to do a little bit of filming around here as well. And we'll also talk about this thing over here too. All right, so come on back and let's get started. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this is kind of interesting. You see these giant trees? This actually, recently it was this beautiful black and white tiled park, and then they had this big fence that's been there for the last 7 years. I came here in 2013. So there's just a giant fence that blocked this coastline from this beautiful walkway. It looks like they are doing something with these trees. So it looks like they, I don't know what they're doing exactly. Are they slowly, I don't know. It's kind of interesting though. I hope they don't remove them. They're pretty cool. It looks like they're just moving away all the pavement, so maybe they'll put the pavement back around it again. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, this is a new development kind of thing. So they're pretty busy moving around, lots of construction kind of stuff. And they're going to be doing something cool with it, which is great. Oh, actually before, this used to be like mangroves. There was like a bunch of kind of wild stuff growing over this fence, and the fence was between the water. So yeah, the fence went like right near the trees. So yeah, I hope they, I think they're building something cool. But actually what was there before with those trees was already pretty cool anyways. You just didn't have the water access. So yeah, it looks like they're, whatever they're doing, they're gonna be building. And then over here is the Science Center, I think it's called, something like that. So basically it's like, a lot of kids go there. So basically kids can go there and kind of do like science stuff. You know, might be, I think I filmed in there before. I've definitely been in it before. We got some ships. This is all Taipa. All of that is Taipa. And yeah, I wonder what they're building. They got these giant things. I wonder if they're moving, they might be moving those giant massive trees over here. Would that be possible? So maybe that's going to be, we'll have to see. We'll definitely come back and check this out. This might be an important video that you might want to go back to in the future. Hopefully you can find it in the future as well. A lot of what I'm doing is just kind of documenting all the stuff that's happening in Macau, because everything does change. But yeah, I think that they are going to move these giant trees forward maybe and bring it up here. Would that be possible? Or would those just be like some park benches or something? Or are they building some kind of walkway that's going to be up above, and that's just kind of like little pillars? I don't know. But you wouldn't put a pillars that close. Well, maybe some of you might know what that's all about, and then if you do, let me know, because I want to know as well. This bridge over here goes all the way to Taipa over there. Then there's also a bridge number 2 and a bridge number 3. There's 3 bridges. Huh, this tree has some typhoon damage. I don't know if you can see it very well. I can see it. We'll try to get a little closer and then you can see it too. But you can see, it's hard for me to do this with the camera like this, but I can see these branches that are exposed and wide open. Huh. So I don't know what those are either. It's kind of cool though. Okay, so this was the fence that was here. There used to be a fence that was here all the time, like just this giant fence, and it blocked the view. So we used to be able to walk along those trees right there. And there's this big black and white tile thing. And then the fence would kind of go blocking between those trees and the ocean. So nobody had any view. And fortunately that's now changed. And this is the cultural center over there. We could have actually walked the bridge to the cultural center. It's actually not a bad video. I could have done that video as well. We're on Avenida Dr. Sun Yat-Sen. And this is more of our construction. I thought I'd be able to walk down a ways, but it looks like I can't. So yeah, it looks like, so yeah, these trees, well, it looks like they put cement in the base there. I wonder what they are doing. So yeah, that's all fresh cement. You can see it in the roots. You can see all this fresh cement that's, so they cut off the roots and made that square and then put in all that cement there around it. I don't know, we'll see. I'll definitely come back and I'll film again and then we can get another idea of what it's gonna be all about. Can I walk here? We'll just walk down a little closer. This might be as far as I can walk, is right about here. Yeah. Anyways, I guess we'll end it right there. So there they are, working away.